Well, it's good to see you back. We've been working hard on the saxophone, learning all the proper techniques, having some fun. I hope you're having fun doing it. Right now I'd like to talk about something else. I'm sure a lot of you are playing in bands at school or outside of school, wherever you play. There's something really important for you to think about when you go to those band rehearsals. First off, band is a great fun thing to do. It's social. It's a place where you can really express yourself, you can get to hear other people, meet other people, play music, have a great time. But we have to give respect to the band director. That's very important. It's always important to listen to the band director, what the band director has to say to you. When the band director's talking, don't you talk. Keep quiet and pay attention. You'll learn a lot from the band director, and the band director can accomplish a lot more. Your band will sound much better. That's one of the first things in rehearsal etiquette that you should learn, the proper way to behave in rehearsals. It's also very good for you when you come to rehearsal to be there a little bit early so you can be set up and ready to go right at the time of the downbeat. The downbeat is when you start playing, when the conductor starts his first conducting of the downbeat and the first piece starts. So have your instrument set up, your saxophone all set up, your reed wet and ready to go. And if you can get there a little bit early and warm up before the rehearsal, you'll have a much better time. You'll play better, you'll sound better, you'll feel better, you'll have a great time. Make sure you bring your music, bring a pencil too, because sometimes the band director might point things out to you. He might change the dynamics on you. He might ask you to play certain parts louder or softer. He might ask you to omit certain parts. So you want to have a pencil so you can mark that so you can remember it for the next rehearsal. And remember, don't goof off. It's a fun place to be, so give it the respect it deserves. The rehearsal is where you get better aside from your own personal practice. Another thing while you're playing your music, try to position your music stand in a way that you can also be watching your conductor or your director. It's easy to get your eyes glued in the music and not pay attention to what the director is doing, but it's really great for the director to have eyes up so he knows that when he's trying to direct and show you certain things about dynamics, about tempo, that you're paying attention. These are very important things to me as a professional musician. I'm also a band director. I direct a big band at a college, and I really expect my students to come in with these attitudes, doing these things. It makes for a better rehearsal. We all have a much better time if everyone is giving their best at the rehearsals. So keep playing, have fun, but take the rehearsal serious, and you're all set.